Fraction. In this, we will learn fraction in detail. What is fraction? Fraction is the part of a whole or a group. When an object or a group of objects are divided into parts, then each equal part is a fraction of the whole. Take a circle. This is a whole circle. Now, the whole circle is divided into two equal parts of the circle. We can write red part of the circle as a fraction. As the circle is divided into two parts, so we write 2 in the denominator, and as red is one part of the divided circle, so we write 1 in the numerator. We can also write the green part of the circle as a fraction. As two parts of the circle are made, so 2 in the denominator. As the green is one part of the divided circle, so we write 1 in the numerator. Let's understand the concept of numerator and denominator. Numerator is written on the upper part and denominator in the lower part, the fraction. Numerator is number of the parts used or referred, and in denominator we write total number of parts. To represent a fraction, we have to count the total number of parts. It will be the denominator of the fraction. Then the parts which is shaded or which is required should be counted. It will be the numerator. Now, if the same circle is divided into 3 equal parts, any one part can be written as a fraction as following. The total number of parts is 3, so we write 3 in the denominator. One part is represented by 1 by 3. If the same circle is divided into 4 equal parts, any one part can be written as fraction as following. 4, as it is divided into 4 parts: purple, blue, red, green. We need to represent one part, so we write 1 in the numerator. 1 by 4. Soni's friend visited her. Soni's mother cooked pizza. They thought to share it among themselves. They couldn't divide the pizza equally among themselves. So, Soni called her friend Toto for help. Divide a circle in fraction as pizza is in a circle shape. If we divide a circle in half or 2 equal parts, then each part is represented by 1 by 2. If we divide a circle in 3 equal parts, then each part is represented by 1 by 3. If a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part is represented by 1 by 4. The pizza is a circle and there are 3 friends to share. So, we divide the pizza in 3 equal parts. Each part is represented by 1 by 3. Soni divided the pizza in 3 equal parts, as suggested by Toto, and each ate 1/3 of the pizza. The image on the left is of a flower. It has 4 petals. Let's learn fraction with the help of them. Let's shade one petal. We can write the shaded petal as fraction 1/4. Let's shade one more petal. The shaded petals can be written as fraction as following: 2/4, 4 being the total number of petals and 2 is the shaded petals. Let's shade one more petal. These shaded petals can be written as fraction as following: 3/4, 4 being the total number of petals and 3 is the petal which is shaded. Look at the figure on the left. It's a rectangle. Let's divide it into two equal parts. As shown, there are two equal parts of the rectangle. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Now there are 4 equal parts of the rectangle. If we shade or color one part out of the 4 equal parts of the rectangle, what will be the fraction of the colored part? Colored part is one part of 4 equal parts of rectangle. We can write it as one part of 4 equal parts. It can be written in fraction as 1/4. It denotes one part out of 4 parts. Chintu went to the fruit shop and bought 10 apples from the shop. Along came Piku and asked for 1 apple out of 10 apples from Chintu. He gave it. Happy learning!